digit वाला multiplication है, it will take space. That's why I'm not saying to do in this book. So you will do this in your notebook. And yes, children, those who have switched off their camera, quickly switch on your camera. If I will see any one of you have switched off, I'm going to mark you absent. You're not going to get attendance for today. Okay, quickly do the actual product. Quickly find out the actual product. Kindly mute yourself, everyone. So your question 1, you have to find out the actual product and then you will do the estimation and you will find out the estimated product.
I have completed the actual. So, ma'am, estimate is not.
Now, children, tell me, who is going to tell me what is the product of 249 multiplied by 73? What will be the product of this question? So how you
Ma'am, 747.
are going to do? I will allow.
777.
Beta, I have disabled the mic, so okay. Prithvi, are you there in the meeting? No, you are not there. Vaibhav, Vaibhav, unmute yourself. Vaibhav, unmute yourself. Yes, Vaibhav. So how we will do this question, beta? Vaibhav. Alka, unmute yourself, Alka. So children, those who have done, you can write your answers in the chat box. Okay? Yes, Alka. Alka, unmute yourself. Are you able to unmute yourself? Yes, excellent, Gurkirat, Swastik, very good. Ankita Ghosh, good. Alka, beta, quickly unmute yourself. I have allowed your mic. Okay, children, who is going to tell me the answer? Quickly raise your hand. Okay, Swastik, tell beta how we are going to multiply it. Yes, Swastik, unmute yourself.
And the answer is.
Beta, no, not answer. Yes, I know the answer. I have seen your answer in the chat box, beta. I am saying that how we are going to step by step you are going to tell how we are going to do multiplication. So first, by which number we will multiply 249? Unmute yourself, Swastik.
Ma'am, by the number 3.
Okay, so when we will multiply 3 by 9, what we will get? Yes. Quickly tell me 3 by 9.
Ma'am, if 3 9s are 27, so 2 will be carried forward and 7 will come here.
Okay, good.
And then 3 4 are equal to 12. So 1 will be carried forward and 2 will come here. And
But
then
beta, you will not add 2, which we have carried forward in 12. We will not add 2. Yes? Ronak, what happened? Why you are laughing? Yes. So we will add here 4 will come and 1 will carry forward. Yes. Now next, quickly.
Ma'am, if 3 2s are 6 and in 6 we will plus 1, so it will be become 7.
Okay, good. Then what we will do next?
Ma'am, then we will put a 0.
Yes, good. So why we will put 0? When we will multiply with the other number, we
Yes,
will put
ma'am.
0 or we will cross below that. Yes? We
Yes,
will
ma'am.
put 0. Yes. So we
And
have,
then 7 9 will 63. So 6
yes,
will
3
be
will come
carried
here.
forward and 3 will change.
Yes, so 6 will carry forward. Then next quickly.
And then 10 4s are 28. So 28 plus 6.
Yes, 7 4 is 20. Yes, then
28 plus 6. So they will become 34. So 4
yes.
will become here and 3 will be carried forward.
Okay, next.
And next, they will plus and then
7 2 is 50. Yes.
yes, ma'am. And then 7 2s are equal to 14, and we will plus 3. It will become
Then
20.
we will
And then
add.
we will add all the numbers.
Yes, good. Excellent. So, I hope everyone has got this answer. Yes, beta. Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Mayank Kumar. Beta, you tell me the estimation of 249. Quickly, Mayank, unmute yourself. Quickly tell me the estimation of 249. You have to, beta, you have to find out the estimation to the nearest tens. So children, what you will do, आपको nearest tens निकालना है. Yes, nearest tens. So what you will do, आपका जो number है 249. So उसका nearest tens क्या होगा? Tens means ये. तो क्या होता है tens? या तो 240 या 250. Yes, बेटा. Yes, till here is it clear? So what you will do? Yes. So you will see the tens place. Yes, 200. So beta, you will see the tens place. Yes, you will see the ones place. Sorry, ones place. Wo your ones place is greater than 5. Yes, that means आप next उसमें ones में next number add कर दोगे. कौन सा number 1 add करोगे? वो 10 हो जाएगा. Yes, that means 250 is your nearest tens of 249. Okay. So you will write 249 का nearest tens क्या है? 250. Then your next number is 73. Yes, I am writing here. So for 73, you know that your nearest tens can be 70 or 80. Yes, beta? Yes, till here is it clear? Show me your thumbs up. Okay, so you will see the ones place. Your ones place is smaller than 5. So you will not change your number. आप उसमें ना कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करोगे. यू विल नॉट ऐड 1. दैट मीन्स आपका 1 ऐड नहीं हुआ तो आपका 80 नहीं होगा, वो आपका नियरेस्ट 70 है. ओके, सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 70. नाउ क्विकली टेल मी द आंसर. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई, आपका ये 0 इससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, यू विल गेट 0. देन यू विल यहाँ पे 0 लिखोगे. 7 0s are 0, 7 5s are 35. 3 will carry it forward here. 7 2s are 14 plus 3 17. Okay, so now 0 0 5 7 and 1. So your answer is 17,500. Have you got this, everyone? Yes, children, have you got this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So your question 1 part B is your homework. Quickly mark your homework in the book itself. question 1 part B is your homework. Now question number 2. Quickly note down this answer beta. Everyone note down this answer. Anushka Maurya, quickly switch on your camera. Ankita Ray, Ankush Kumar Singh, Archana, Arpit Yadav, Aryan Yadav, switch on your camera. Chirag Yadav, why you have joined so late, Chirag? Ishika Rajput, switch on your camera. Pratyush, Pranav, Priyansh, Purvi, switch on your camera. Rohit, why you have joined so late? You know your timing? 7:45 आपको join करना होता है रोहित. After 8 you will not get your attendance, and if you leave before 12:10 then also you will not get attendance. Shashank Gupta, Swastik Dwivedi, beta quickly switch on your camera. Vartika Singh, you also. Pranav, Pratyush, Purvi, Rohit, Chirag, Archana, Ankush Kumar Singh, beta don't switch off your camera. Everyone switch on your camera. Have you done this question? Have you noted down this question in your notebook?
Ma'am.
Let's come to our
No,
next.
ma'am, I have not noted down.
Quickly do it, beta. Quickly do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly note down, children. Beta, for this week, your syllabus is, for weekly test, your syllabus is 5.6 and 5.7. So you will prepare for 5.6, 5.7. I can give question from 5.5, 5.3, 2 or 1 also. So you will prepare whole chapter. Majority question will come from 5.6 and 5.7. Estimation question. So you have to prepare for estimation part also. Okay, now children, have you noted down this question? Satyanshu Yadav, unmute yourself quickly.
Yes, ma'am.
Read next question, beta. Read question number 2. Everyone look in your book. Yes.
I must say 47 8. How much money will she save in a year? 365 days.
Yes.
Estimated by rounding of the nearest tens.
Okay. So what this question is saying, Satyanshu, explain it, beta.
We must save 47 rupees
A day. So children, Nimmi saves 47 a day. So in a day, how much money Nimmi is saving? 47.
365 multiply 47.
Okay, so the question is asking how much money will she save in a year? So you know that in one day, in a day, she saves rupees 47. And now question is asking that how much money will she save in 1 year if there are how many days? If there are 365 days.
Plus 365 is 347.
Yes. So for 1 year you have to find out how much money Nimmi will save if the days are 365 in 1 year. Okay, then what you will do after that, you will estimate that number by rounding off to the nearest tens. फिर आप उसका estimation करोगे, जो भी आपका product आएगा आंसर, you will estimate that number to the nearest tens. Quickly do this question in your notebook. Children, you will also write statement. I have seen that many of you have written direct answers. I think you have used calculator. You have not shown the steps. You have not written steps. You have not written statement also. So I have given you 0. Children, I hope you have written this answer because I am not going to save it and I will not share in the group. Later on, if you want answer of question number 1, you will see the video. Okay. So next question, our second question is, how much money Nimmi saves in a day? Yes, children, how much money?
Ma'am, 42.
In a day?
Only statement. Ma'am, I know the statements.
Yes.
Ma'am, I know the statements.
Okay, Dhruvi, tell.
47.
Solution
One by one, mute yourself, Natik. Yes, you have to write this in your notebook. Yes, Dhruvi.
Ma'am, Nimi saves rupees a day equal to 47. She saves rupees
So
in a
Nimmi,
year.
wait, Dhruvi. Nimmi saves. Yes, Nimmi saves.
Ma'am, you have to write question also.
No. Total money she saves in a year, 365 days. Yes, children. So you have how many days? You have 365 days. What you are going to do? You will multiply 365 by 47. So you will do like this. Okay. Now we will multiply here. Quickly tell me the answer in chat box. Beta, use chat box to write your answers. Children, use chat box.
And
Yes, so Gurkirat has given answer. Beta, first tell me what you will get after multiplying 365 by 47. Don't tell the answer by estimation. First you tell me what product you will get after multiplying 365 by 47. Okay, Naisha, Krishna, your answer is correct. Gurkirat, yes beta. But आपको पहले जो प्रोडक्ट 365 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 47 से, जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा वो बताना है. ओके, एवरीवन क्विकली टेल मी द आंसर. यू विल नॉट यूज कैलकुलेटर. No one will use calculator.
Ma'am, answer is 17155.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
So your answer is
ma'am, 17155.
yes. So your answer is
17155.
इसे words देव. आप इसे word में कैसे बोलोगे 17155 को? 17,000.
170,155.
Yes,
755.
good Dev. Excellent. So now children, we will do the round off of this number. 17,155 का round off करेंगे हम nearest tens में. Okay? So we will do the round off to the nearest tens. Which place value you will see? Which place value you are going to see, beta? You are going to see the place value 1. Yes. So you are going to see one's place value. Okay. So now this number is greater than 5 equal to 5. Okay. So it is equal to 5. That means you will increase 5 by digit 1. Yes. So आपका ये क्या होगा place value? इसका nearest tens होगा. It will be 17,160. Yes. बेटा आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस करना है. यस एवरीवन, बेटा आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस करना है. तो जो आपका टेंस होगा ना वो चेंज होगा. आपका ये या तो इधर इट कैन बी 50 और 60. आप ये देखो नियरेस्ट टेंस है ना चिल्ड्रन. सो हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू? बेटा फर्स्ट सी आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस करना है. नायशा, गुरकिरत, yes, I have not seen your answer before, that's why I said that it is correct. But beta क्या होगा? What you will do? How you are going to do? See, 15,155 है.
दादी तो उनकी तो नंबर वगैरह नहीं निकलते हैं.
Listen बेटा, आपको नियरेस्ट टेंस करना है. तो आप टेंस देखो, वंस ये रहा और ये टेंस. ओके, आप ये जो और है ये 100 है, 100 प्लेस है, 1000 है, 10,000 है, ये सेम आएगा. ओके, आप उसको एज इट इज सेम लिख दो 171. अब आपका टेंस पूछा है. यस नियरेस्ट टेंस. तो नियरेस्ट टेंस आपका ये वंस और टेंस ये वाला है नियरेस्ट टेंस. ओके, अब आप देखो बेटा 55 जो है उसका नियरेस्ट टेंस क्या है? पहले क्या है? 55 से जो पहले पीछे नियरेस्ट टेंस क्या है? यस एवरीवन, फिफ्टी है. यस
यस मैम.
55 जो है एवरीवन, नायशा, गुरकिरत, शुभम, एवरीवन, जो 55 है वो कौन से दो टेंस के बीच में आ रहा है? वो 50
मैम
और
समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
रूबी नहीं आ रहा समझ में? आपको यहाँ तक आया समझ में? आप नियरेस्ट टेंस कैसे? ओके, फर्स्ट बेटा नोट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चन, देन आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ यू आर गोइंग. फर्स्ट नोट डाउन दिस. म्यूट योरसेल्फ.
मैम आई हैव put it down.
Quickly everyone note down this. So after this, I will explain you how you are going to find out the nearest tens. I think you need estimations class. Yes, nearest tens, nearest 100, nearest 1000. You need that class. Quickly note down this question.